Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 30, and today I'll show you how you can boot your phone into recovery mode. So to get started, hold your power key and select power off. Once the phone turns off, hold power and volume down at the same time. This will boot us into boot mode first. There we go. So in here, using volume keys, you want to scroll till you see a recovery mode right here, confirm it with power key. Then we will see an Android with no command, and when we see that, you're gonna hold power key and press volume up once. And there we go, we are now in a recovery mode. And here again, you can use the volume keys to navigate and power key to confirm whatever is selected. And from here we can leave this mode and go back to Android. We can go back to boot mode, we can boot into fast boot mode, apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, factory reset, on system, view logs, run tests, and power off the device. So there we go. I'm gonna leave this mode by selecting reboot system, and like I said, this will take me back to Android.
Hello, Moto.
And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.